Yeah, my fellow Biafrans, I greet you all. Yeah, before we start our topic for today, which is the unknown gunmen, make we first of all start by sympathizing with Lol Uchechi Oku Kanu, my leader wife. My leader wife, she lost her mother. Let us sympathize with her by saying, rest in peace, Mama. Yeah, make we go into our topic for today, which is the unknown gunmen. You go hear all the efulefu them, all the buyout people, all those wey no want our progress, we Biafrans. Everybody, all of them, they shout. Yeah, the unknown gunmen na Eastern Security. The unknown gunmen na IPOB. Who tell you that one? See, na Eastern Security and IPOB. You get any proof? Yeah, everybody dey say na Eastern Security and IPOB. Because una know say Eastern Security and IPOB no dey support vaccine. Make una remove una hand for this bad thing wey una dey do for that contraption called Nigeria. You people are suffering the innocent ones. The poor masses are suffering. Every day, cases of raping, Fulani herdsmen, they kill, they rape our women. Our people will not fit they go farm again. If Fulani herdsmen they kill, when they rape, you call police go come, they go set the Fulani men free. Then you will call them, they will deal with you. Which is very bad. So the unknown gunmen now, what would they talk about? These people, they need to come kill innocent civilians. Now the police and the army, now they face. And they know the reason why they face the police and army. Now there are repercussions for all the rubbish, all the nonsense what they don't do for a long time. Now they reap now. Just day before yesterday, Willie Obiano, he don't carry all the army wey dey for Nigeria come keep for Onitsha. But the promise wey we give all those army wey Willie Obiano carry come, all of them, we go send them go meet God. Make dem go answer their question for help. Make dem go answer their question for them. Wetin I mean be all of them from 1A to Z, all of them they go die. No be unknown gunmen, they won't come kill unknown gunmen. They go dig it, they find unknown gunmen, all of them go dey fall one after the other. Boko Haram dey for Sambisa forest, dey from the northern side, they trespass, they kill people. Una leave Boko Haram wey una go face, una dey come east where dey quiet. Dey come Biafra land. Wetin be una problem for that contraption called Nigeria? Una no fit fight Boko Haram. Na unknown gunmen una wan come fight. People wey una no dey see. Oh yeah, make una come now. Una don come. Anything wey una see, make una take. Why you people dey very wicked? Unknown gunmen no dey kill innocent people. You people supposed to ask yourself, why is it that this unknown gunmen that doesn't go after civilians? Una need to ask yourself that question. Wetin una dey after now because say dey keep police and army. The police and army wetin dey do? Since una dey kill Biafrans for Nkpor, for Aba, everywhere una go soak dem for pit. Now una don dey get the repercussion of all those things wey una do. Na the music una dey face now. So make una just take am how una see am, because e don reach to that level. Ever since our leader don dey warn una, man say Nnamdi Kanu, e don dey warn una, you people should leave Biafrans, allow Biafrans to go. Una no gree. Allow Biafrans to go, una say no. Instead, una want make Biafrans dey die one after the other. All the young boys, all the young men wey dey for Biafra land, una dey kill them one after the other. No, e don dey too much. Our leader don raise the dragon flag up, and that dragon flag, e no dey come down again. That thing wey go happen next week, e go happen today. Una go see am. Una say una no want Biafra. Una say Igbo man na problem. Una no want Igbo man. Igbo man no go fit be president. Any good thing wey dey for Nigeria, Igbo man no go get am. Una no trust Igbos. Okay, allow them to go. Una say no. Wetin una want make we do for una? We go kill ourselves for una. I no understand una wey be Fulani people, all these people wey dey una work na only Nama una know for una life. Only Nama now una know. Una no fit sit down think. Well, I no blame una. Na all this efulefu wey dey our land, all them Willie Obiano, Hope Uzodinma, Rochas dem, all of them, na them be the people wey I dey blame. Because if suppose dem come out talk like Igbo, like a Biafran, by now all this nonsense for don stop, for don get our Biafran waka. After all, the thing wey dey link we and Fulani na that contraption called Nigeria. If we get our Biafran, Fulani no go come our place say he wan come kill somebody for a farm, or say he wan come destroy, he wan carry a nonsense Nama come destroy people things for farm. Everywhere for the world, they get wetin they call ranching. But you go see Fulani people, every time you see them, they carry Nama, they waka up and down. Wetin una dey find na problem. Una go use Nama take dey deceive people. And meanwhile, no be that Nama, na problem una use and dey find. Dey find people wey una go Islamize. Dey find people wey una go colonize. No, we don wise this time. We don wise. That problem wey una dey find, una go see am. No only for Nigeria be the place wey una see say for this modern world, you go still see people dey carry Nama up and down. Wetin do ranching? That north wey una dey there, una keep una Nama there. Build ranch for that place. Dey take care of una Nama. People wey dey south, if they want Nama, they go order for Nama. Una go use motor transport the Nama come. The person wey order for the Nama go get his own ranch, this place, where he go keep the Nama dem. Why una dey behave like people wey no know anything? Although wetin I dey say, una dey behave like people wey no know anything. Una no know anything. Fulani, that Nama wey una dey pursue na so una dey behave like that Nama. E don reach the time wey una go tell una sef the truth. This time no be like before when e be say Ojukwu only Ojukwu wey world never open eye. Ojukwu does fight. Ojukwu fight for restructure. Una no be give Ojukwu the restructure. Now una don dey come make dem restructure Nigeria. Restructure una papa abi restructure una mama. Who wan restructure Nigeria? Nigeria dey pieces. Nobody we Biafrans, we are not going after restructuring. Wetin we want our own Biafra. We want our own country. We no want una restructure. We una carry una restructure go. Because the time when Nnamdi Kanu come out, since when Nnamdi Kanu dey talk about this Biafra, e suppose una call am to round table. Dem sit, everybody sit there, dialogue the thing. By now, this problem for don dey settled. We for know whether restructuring or Biafra. Now the thing don tire apa. Nothing, we need to go for restructuring. Na Biafra we want. And that Biafra, we must surely get am. We must surely get that Biafra. We no go get am through anybody. We no go get am. Nobody dey help us get Biafra. Na God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, na Him go give us Biafra. So make una know wetin una dey do. Make una leave us alone. We want to go. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don tell una say, if na the oil, make una carry go. Make una carry the oil, make una leave us alone. We Biafrans, we no dey after oil. Because average Biafra man na hustler. Anywhere where a Biafra man go, you go see am, he go survive. So make una leave us alone. We want to go. Make we leave the Nigeria for now. Make una carry una Nigeria dey go. We don tire. Nigeria don tire everybody. Hunger everywhere. Make una leave us alone. Una say no. Biafra na wetin we want. Biafra na our religion. So any other thing apart from Biafra, we no want am. So if una dey work with, if dem Uche Mefo, the Ansari Dokubo, Rafu Wazurika, all those sellouts, if we live for them, sabo them, if they come, una dey carry una money they give them, make una carry una money give them. But make una leave us. Person wey we know na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That na the person wey they work with. And na the person wey God, through him, God will give us Biafra. So, we dey beg una, make una leave us alone. Unknown gunmen don come out. Yeah, when bandits, when people, when they will terrorize North, una go call am bandits. They kill people for North, una go say bandits. Nobody, una no send any army go find all those bandits. E don reach unknown gunmen now, because e don say na army and police dey kill. Una don go pack army come for Onitsha. All those army, as una take pack dem come, na so dem go dey fall one. Dem go dey fall one. Na the promise wey we dey give una. We no dey shake. This no be 1967. When it be so Ojukwu fight the thing alone. Sabo couple with the Sabo people wey dey around am. So this time around, everybody don come out for una. You talk about the money dey there, the weapons dey there. So nothing dey happen. If una think say una in Britain dey support, because British dey support una, then una feel say una go do nonsense. Na lie. You see this time, Fulani, we ready for una. Whether una like am or not, Chukwu Okike Abiyama go give us Biafra. Biafra must surely come by the grace of Chukwu Okike Abiyama. He said, So na so e be. This na the one I get for una today. So till next time, my fellow Biafrans, I greet you all. God bless Biafra. God bless IPOB. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Bye.